In this video, we'll go over Nano. What is currently happening with the crypto? Will it be one of the small percentage of coins that won't go to zero for the next bull run? With such changes in the cryptocurrency markets such as the crash of Luna or the frozen funds of Celsius, cryptocurrency has definitely changed over the past few years, with the rise of meme coins and NFTs. In this video, we'll see if the coin has the potential to go to the moon for this upcoming bull run. Before we begin, we are having a 900 XLM coin giveaway. To enter, all you need to do is give this video a like, subscribe to the channel, comment down below, Nano to the moon. And we'll announce the winner on September the 31st. Now, let's get right to the video. There are many ways to make money in crypto. For example, if you only took a $1,000 leveraged short position on Luna at its price of $110 and rode its downfall to zero, you could have potentially walked off with over $1 million. But with such a risk on your investment, not many recommend leverage trading, especially in crypto. NFTs have also taken the market by storm, from people buying a monkey JPEG for $300 and selling it at over $400,000 6 months later. But because there are so many opportunities, and now that we are in a bear market, no one really knows what to dabble into. So this is why we're taking a look at Nano, to see if it has the potential to run 1000x on your money for the next bull run. So, what exactly is Nano? Billed as a digital money for the modern world, Nano is a lightweight cryptocurrency that is designed to facilitate secure, practically instant payments, without fees, and addresses some of the major limitations of both legacy financial infrastructure and many modern cryptocurrencies. Development of the project began in 2014 under the name Roblox, and the coin launched the following year through a public faucet, which allowed users to claim small amounts of XRB after completing a CAPTCHA challenge. Anyone with access to a computer or phone could solve CAPTCHAs and be rewarded with Roblox. The number of XRB people received per solved CAPTCHA varied over time. To make an accurate prediction, first we need to look at the efficiency of the coin and any updates it might currently have. As we previously touched on, Nano is designed to be fast. So fast, in fact, that most Nano transactions reach absolute finality within less than a second, compared to several minutes or even longer for many other major cryptocurrencies. This speed makes Nano suitable for commercial payments, since merchants and retailers no longer need to worry about transaction delays when accepting payments. Moreover, Nano transactions are completely feeless. Since representatives do not receive financial compensation for their efforts to secure the network, there is no need for a transaction fee. This makes Nano an ideal solution for processing microtransactions, since users no longer need to worry about fronting a potentially expensive transaction fee when making small payments. Considering all mass adoption takes place and Bitcoin having hit all of its consolidation periods, we can see the price hitting $3.65 by the end of the year. Having all this in mind and what the founders are doing, we can easily see the coin hit another 10 to 20x by 2025. Remember that the best way to make money with any investment is to be patient with your investments and let them grow over time. Comment down below for any cryptocurrency price prediction you'd like next. Remember, one should always do their own research when investing into anything. We are proud to provide any updates on cryptocurrency coins, but should not